how to turn off notifications on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it down. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, simply tap on Account. So now, we in this account settings. Here, you must slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Updates. Tap on Updates. And on the top, tap on Push Notifications. So this is the place where you can customize it. Now, in order to turn it off, simply tap on it, and here there are different categories too. So you can select the one that you don't like and simply tap on them. And as you can see, they have turned gray, and you can simply go back and it will automatically be saved. So there won't be any notifications and disturbance in the app or mobile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.